to another episode of Just Listed by Alejandro. We're here at 15 Wellington Avenue in Beaumaris.
The views does not get any better. The lifestyle doesn't get any better. The location doesn't get any better, guys. Let's go out there and show them what this amazing property is all about. Because in front of my eyes, and if I was a buyer, this property definitely ticks all the boxes. We're very excited. Let's have a look at it.
Standing in the formal lounge room now, so much natural light, as well as high ceilings and parquetry floorboards. What I like to point out though, is what I personally love the best, which is the fireplace. I love that smell. Leading outside is the swimming pool. Gives you peace of mind when the kids are out here. You can watch them from inside while they're out here playing. It just doesn't get any better than this.
When it comes to buying a property in the Bayside of Melbourne, Alejandro, I think a lot of buyers do struggle to find a big backyard. But in this property here, we're offering a spacious backyard, over 600 square meters. But to top it all off, how often do you get a garden that looks like this? The vendors of this property, they've spent years and hours of their time to be able to present an amazing garden like this. Landscaped out the front, through the back, and that's what good real estate is all about.
What's your favorite part about this house?
What I love about this property is the fact that you've got not one, not two, but 3 terraces. 3 balconies that offer an amazing view. Now, tell me where else can you get that?
The beauty about this property video is that we actually have the vendor of this property that's been living in this area for the last 38 years. John, thank you so much for joining us on the video. Tell us more about the area, the property that you live in right now. You've been living here for the last 17 years, correct?
In this particular house we have.
Now, the most important aspect is the neighborhood. How's the neighbors here?
Fantastic. It's a very relaxed, quiet suburb. Everyone appreciates it for that. Got the park down the street, the beach down the road, Concourse Shopping Centre, new Beaumaris Secondary School coming up. It's just a great area.
The fact that you've been in this property for the last 17 years, I mean, most buyers, they kind of get worried, like, why are they selling? You know, what is it that they're after? I think the question, I guess the answer to their question is that you're after simply a lifestyle change.
Yeah, just, you know, as you get older, you don't want so much property. You need to downsize, and that's just natural, and gives another family a chance to move into the property and have the advantages that we've had over the last 17 years.
I love it. The vendor of this property has been living in this area for the last 38 years. You've heard it from himself. He's been living in this property that we're offering you guys for the last 17 years. What does that tell you? It means that people that buy in this area, they actually don't want to sell it. But we like to offer you an opportunity in Wellington Avenue, in the heart of Beaumaris, that hardly any properties do come up for sale. When they do, it flies out of the market. My name is Zed from Zed Real Estate. This is Alejandro, and we've got Isha right here. Contact us right now to avoid disappointment.
Stay tuned for next week's episode of Just Listed by Zed.
Bye-bye for now.